Hello my dear students, welcome you all to Mahi tutorials. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the excretory system of frogs. Frogs में well developed excretory system होता है. Excretory system consists of pair of kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and cloaca. Kidneys dark red bean shaped structures होती हैं. These are the chief excretory organs. The kidneys are situated on either sides of the vertebral column in the posterior part of the body cavity. Kidneys के स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट को यूरिनिफेरस ट्यूब्यूल्स और नेफ्रॉन भी कहते हैं. अच्छा, किडनी में फाइन ट्यूब्स अराइज करती हैं जिन्हें यूरेटर्स कहा जाता है. These are also known as urinary duct. मेल फ्रॉग्स में यूरेटर यूरिनोजेनाइटल डक्ट कहलाते हैं क्योंकि यूरेटर्स यूरिन और स्पर्म्स दोनों कैरी करती हैं. Whereas in case of female frogs, the ureters and oviduct open separately in the cloaca. Urinary bladder एक thin walled bag होता है which temporarily stores urines and then passes it to the cloaca. Cloaca एक small chamber होता है which receive feces, genital products and urines and finally passes this matter outside the body. I hope you have understood the concept. If you are new, then make sure you firstly join our Telegram channel. The link is in the description box. Second, you have to subscribe to our channel if you are new. And if you have understood the concept, make sure you hit that like button. See you all in the next video. Thank you so much for giving your time.